welcome back to MV Auto. We are in the new shop, in the chaotic new shop at this point right now. And we just want to shine some light on this mean machine here. A lot of the guys in the local Ontario drift community will know this is Scott's car. It's been Toyota powered for a very long time. Scott has always done an incredible job at being as aggressive as possible and using every last ounce of power, but he's decided to step it up now. So we started working on this at the old shop, but it's gonna be like our first project that's finished out of this location. We K-swapped it. This car is K-powered now. We made all the mounts, all the components to make it work. It's using a K-Miata adapter plate to run the BMW 6-speed transmission. But other than that, we've done all the fittings to make this work in the car. All right, so we're at the point where the engine is hung in the engine bay. We've made the engine mounts, we've made the transmission mounts, we've got the transmission and engine mated together. Fuel system's plumbed, we use K-tune fuel rail, and then we did all the other plumbing for catch can, PCV stuff, rad hose and all that stuff is all done with Vibrant components. Made a custom catch can for it. And that's kind of where it's at right now. So it's time for some wiring. We gotta get some wiring done, as well as we're putting a Ford 8.8 rear end in it. So we're gonna really upgrade the capabilities in the back of the car so you won't have any failures with the added power of this K-series engine. That and reliability. This car's always been really reliable for Scott, but he just wanted to have a little bit more power. I mean, with all the guys running V8s and whatnot now, he just decided that, hey, I need to have a little bit more, and this is, in my opinion, probably the best solution for an 8.6. It's not a V8. I don't think a V8 suits this car in any way, but still makes a bunch of torque and horsepower. This car's gonna rip.
It's street legal?
Oh, he street drives it, and he drives it to every event.
Wow.
Yeah, this is a street car.
Jesus.
Oh, we're recording.
I just didn't turn it off.
All right. So it's got like a nice low door bar, so you can get in and out of the car, and he still has some protection for tandem stuff, which this car sees a lot of. It's just a quick look at one of the projects we have on the go now. Make sure you like, subscribe to our channel so you can see more stuff like this. We're gonna do another update on this car when it's complete, hopefully on track. We get some maybe dyno video, a little bit of sliding stuff. But make sure to check us out, Facebook, Instagram. And if you're interested in doing a project like this is stuff we love to do. So get in touch with us and we'll get you a quote and doing a wild swap in your car.